Happy Holi to all of you and Radhe Radhe to all. This was great day because this is the first time I played Holi with color. Can you recognize me? It's me. Even my phone is denying to unlock the phone. It is not recognizing me. This is the honor of the phone. Because my brother, my own brother, he betrayed me. He just put dark color on my face. Then I thought, now I have already applied the color on my face, so there is no need to hide myself at home at all. I went to the gym where everyone was playing holy there because the owner of the gym, he had arranged everything. He had color, he had spray, he had cylinder color, and he had spray as well. So when we went there, I had t-shirt over my body, but when I returned from there, I had no t-shirt over my body because they torn the t-shirt. Everyone who just came in the gym, everyone's t-shirt was torn there by someone or other. And till now, I haven't had a bath. I thought before having a bath, let's capture this moment because once a year Holi comes. If you are not going to celebrate, so when will you celebrate? We are going through ups and downs in our life, so we must enjoy our, and because there is no perfect time to enjoy, that's why. And there were so many friends, I was angry with them. Actually, I have told you so many times that I have isolated myself. I'm not talking to anybody these days. Even I have abandoned social media from my life. Even I'm not watching anyone's status as well. I'm not putting any status on social media as well because I am focused. I have promised something with myself, and until I'm going to just complete my promise, I would just abandon myself from everyone. But it was holy, so I just let myself enjoy today because it was a perfect day to enjoy. And if you see my hands and palm, it is full of color. It is dark color if you see. So it was great experience, and I have three kids at home: Arpit, Kanis, and Ayushi. And they were just enjoying the Holi at all. This is the first time they're in Delhi on the occasion of Holi. They were just applying color to each other, and you can't even recognize Kanis. He was his color is dark, but he was full of color. And I would share my video of the gym or we were just playing Holi. I would just add the video in this, and we would just enjoy. So guys, in the last, I would just say that this is the festival. Why do we celebrate festival? You must know that this is the festival where we must spread the color of happiness, friendship, loyalty, honesty. If you have animosity with someone, just forget the animosity, and today just I wanna play Holi with each other, have the blessing to each other, and that's all I wanna say that because yesterday it was Holika day, so why do we just celebrate Holi? You must have the story behind it, so I would like to just add the story in it. So there was a boy, he was the son of Hiranyakashyap. His name was Prahlad. So he was the devotee of Lord Vishnu. He was admiring the Vishnu a lot, but his father was a demon, so he didn't like his son because his son was just applauding Lord Vishnu, and Hiranyakashyap used to think that Lord Vishnu is enemy of mine. Then he tried so many times to kill Prahlad. Even in the last, when he was so frustrated that every time Lord Vishnu saved Prahlad in every adverse condition and situation, then in the end Hiranyakashyap called his own sister because his sister got a boon that you would never ever be burned because he had a boon. Then what did Holika do? He just sit on the fire and he put Prahlad on her lap. Do you know what had happened? Even Holika was burnt. Even instead of having a boon, but Prahlad was saved. It is the symbol of winning over the evil. हाँ बोलते हैं ना हार नो, इट इज इन हिंदी आई वुड लाइक टू जस्ट से दैट बुराई पे अच्छाई की जीत. सो इन द एंड Lord Vishnu took an incarnation of what is the incarnation name? Something like because he had a boon that he could not be killed in day and night. He could not be killed by man and woman and any person. So Lord Vishnu just took the incarnation. Right now I'm not able to recall the name of the incarnation. Then he killed Hiranyakashyap and he saved Prahlad, and this was the reason we celebrate Holi. This was the, as I know from the our scriptures. So this was the reason, guys. So thank you so much and happy Holi to all. Be safe and happy Holi.